If you are from Imo State, congratulations. I don't even know that you guys are billionaires since so. Considering with una governor talk, they say hope Uzodinma don shocktalize the Lagos state. Contact the whole oil company where they Lagos the bread from Imo State. Tell them say may they carry their offices and their company come stay for Imo State so that they go contribute for the economy of Imo State. That Imo State are the most richest gas producing state in Nigeria. No be small thing, no. As it dey happen right now, I hope Uzodinma don come say no, you no go gree. Now everybody come dey ask question. Is hope Uzodinma waking up from the sleep and realizing that Igbo land need to be developed, or is he still sleeping, or just a political game, normal game they used to play to us now to believe them they are working with us? My people, don't worry, we go find out for the whole way and go talk for this video. They say that the federal government of Nigeria is expecting a baby monkey that was, whether they kidnapped the monkey, go another country. So now they don't find out. Constantly they bring back the monkey to Nigeria. So they prepare heavily. They wait for the baby monkey to arrive as the monkey don't grow. Well, I go hear this one from this one of our sister. I don't read. I bet me when I share this video and make sure you drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Pump info, balaba this, all are the same. So anywhere where you see the news, share and follow the page. You are welcome. Now let me show you the video where we talk about before we go jump inside another Ogbenge news with our hand.
Our power plant in Uzodinma, which is 278 megawatts, the upcoming fertilizer plant, the methanol plant, the petrochemicals and the LNG in the Orash Energy Special Zone. We have a company called Watersmith. They are going to take 30 million square from there. Watersmith is also doing 75 megawatts of power, and they have their own industrial park. We have about 75 companies have indicated interest that they will take up spaces there.
Now we are bringing other industries to come here in the oil and gas industry, in the agriculture sector, education, food security. Like I just mentioned, Bureau Veritas will be here. They are building one of the biggest laboratories, financed by a freezing bank in Africa for testing hydrocarbon.
Because of the abundant natural gas resources in Imo State, you have Axela, who are trying to do CNG. You have Nigerian Gas Marketing Company. They've acquired their land. They will start construction of mother station for CNG. You have Hamakan, you have Greenville, I have Cushion Energy. Then you have a broker that wants to do condensate refinery in the special energy zone.
Working with NUPRC, we saw that from their records, Imo State has the highest deposit of natural gas in this region.
That means that if Imo were to be a country, Imo should be about the 16th largest gas producing nation in the world, at the same level with countries like Kazakhstan, Canada, or Egypt.
The 40 cubic feet of gas plants and 200 million barrels of condensate production benchmark, earlier inaugurated in 2024 by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is set to commence operations in Nasa community of Imo State in July 2025.
We are ready now to start commissioning the plant with gas. So from July this year, Imo State will join one of the biggest states for gas production in the country.
I'm happy that they're about to go into operation.
Imo is a major oil and gas producing state. In Imo State today, we have 7 major oil and gas producing companies. Shell, now named the Renaissance, Wando, Antam Producing, Watersmith, Sterling Global, Seplat, and the Ano gas processing plants 1 and 2. Then there's an 8th one, Sahara Upstream. Apart from that, there are some other oil companies that are ready to come and they start drilling. You have Orash Petroleum, where the state government has an interest. You have the Hilltop Petroleum. Then you have OPLs that people are struggling to invest in, 207, 208, and 901. They have some other marginal fields like Njaba 1, 2, Mbidi 1 and 2, Ofrola, and a whole lot of them.
We have had opportunities to sit back and look at the milestones that were decided at the beginning of the project. Most of those milestones have been greatly achieved. All statutory approvals have been obtained. Approvals from the federal government and its agencies and clearances from its regulatory and environmental agencies. We have achieved all those approvals. The zone is ready to run. All approvals are in place.
We have 7 oil producing companies. None has an office in Imo State. Imo State government has no access to their nominal role to even collect pay as you earn tax. And then everything is about waiting for monthly allocation. And I said no, it must change. I had a meeting with all the oil producing companies, and I said, you must have your address here, including those that are partly owned by Imo State government with no business outfit anywhere in the state, operating from Lagos. I said, no, we must build an economy here. At the end of the day, they gave me reasons. Insecurity, we brought security. Accommodation, where to stay, no 5-star hotel. I said, we put. Marriott is managing Protea. By the time Marriott will finish, I've signed an agreement with Hilton International. The work in the Concord Hotel, old Concord Hotel built by Mbakwe, the upgrade to a 5-star hotel is 75% complete. We'll commission this year. And I said, if you want my cooperation to protect your facilities, it must be a relationship that is based on reciprocity, where the indigenous will benefit, the government will benefit, and you will benefit. We'll give you the enabling environment to operate, but we must get value from it. And how do we do that? We cannot be source of raw materials alone. You have to process the raw materials in Imo State. That way you will be creating jobs, and they all agree.
Before now, there were no records of production activities. People didn't know where our wells were. Uzodinma came. The first thing he did was to recover a lot of wells from Imo State in the Acre and Mbede fields. Now, the governor gave us a mandate. I won't believe it. Today, we have a comprehensive data of all oil wells in Imo State, oil facilities in Imo State, gas pipeline, their traverse routes, producing wells, non-producing wells, shut-in wells, wells that have been re-entered. If you look at some publication, they will tell you Imo State has only 163 wells. It's a very big lie. We have over 200 producing wells. We have more than 76 shut-in wells. And some of them, there are plans, to re-enter some of them. And we have more than 20 proposed wells.
This gas revolution, executed by the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited and partners, started in 2019.
The people of Imo State, where they are blood, where they anywhere mona carry on a bag, they go house, because Una state na the richest place for inside Nigeria, as they claim right now. My people, don't read though. Now let us come show you the video where this our sister they explain, give us so, because I was shocked when I see this video say Nigeria government they wait for monkey. Why some people where they don't deport from America see they for inside Ghana, they find how they go take reach Nigeria. Watch the video.
So according to NTA News, Nigeria is preparing to welcome this baby gorilla to Nigeria. Yes. Hey. According to the information, this gorilla here was smuggled from Nigeria to Istanbul when he was a baby. Now the gorilla has grown. He wants to come back to his fatherland, which is Nigeria. So Nigerians, in fact, Nigerian government is preparing to welcome this gorilla back home. They said his name is Zaintin. Yes. Nigerian government wants to welcome an animal in Nigeria. But Nigerian citizens that were deported from the US, still they Ghana, they find night bus, they will carry come back. I don't understand. What is going on in this country? What is going on? Who did we offend in this country? I don't understand. Gorilla is coming back to possess his possession in Nigeria. Gorilla. Hey. Well, we listen, we don't judge. You listen, you don't judge. Yes. Zaintin, baby gorilla, is coming back to possess his possession.
My people, una don see am o, as it dey happen. May you know say now we don't get second citizens for inside Nigeria. The first citizens are cow, then the second citizen na gorilla. So we don't even know the one wey go be the third citizen before the citizen of Nigeria go come dey take their own position. I bet wanna share this video, you get why. Don't forget say dey for Balabas gist as you dey watch. Make sure you dey share the video.